To my mother, dear mother, I want to tell you how much I love you. Do you know you are the most important person in my life? You are always there for me with love and care. When I am sad, you make me feel happy. When I am scared, you protect me. You are my teacher, my friend, and my guide. You show me everything how to be kind. You make me strong and learning. You make me how to respect others. You make me how to live happy life. You always give me good advice for good future. I am so grateful for every moment we spend together. You give me everything who I want. You always give me good teaching of the world. You always give right knowledge about life. You teach me how to love myself and love others. Thank you for being such a wonderful mom. I am proud to be your son. Success, just like beauty, comes in every shape and size. Success for you will look very different, and real confidence is to admit that my idea, my concept of success is very different. It could be getting married, having a family, it could be owning house, it could be about taking a break. You could have no reason and without skill to also take a break. You can at any point change your career. You read law, you become a lawyer, or you become a doctor. But you realize it is not for you today. Life gives you that opportunity as long as you are breathing. As long as you have, you can reinvent yourself. You can say no to anything. You can walk away from anything, and you can walk towards anything. I want you to have that confidence as your friend. I want you to believe that I can do whatever I want. 7 rules of life. First, what other people think of you is none of your business. Number 2, make peace with your past so it won't disturb your present. Number 3, no one is in charge of your happiness except you. Number 4, stop thinking too much. It is alright not to know all the answers. Number 5, don't compare your life to others and don't judge them, and you have no idea what their journey is all about. Number 6, smile. You don't own all the problems in the world. Number 7, time hits almost everything, give it time.